The graphic touchscreen keypad is designed for your security first and foremost. But it isn't the only thing that your keypad is capable of. Your keypad is also designed with your lifestyle in mind. The ability to control Z-Wave devices, such as lights, locks, or a thermostat, can help you save time and money. In this video, we will cover how to add Z-Wave devices, how to add a favorite, and finally, how to add users on your graphic touchscreen keypad. Setting up a Z-Wave device with the graphic touchscreen keypad is a simple process. Using the carousel menu, choose the device that you want to set up. If programmed at installation, you can simply press the pencil icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and this will take you directly into the Z-Wave setup menu. If your keypad was not set up for this at installation, you can access the Z-Wave setup menu through the keypad option on the carousel menu, or contact your security company to enable these features. From the keypad, use the command key to cycle through the keypad options until you reach the menu option and press Yes. Enter your passcode when prompted. Cycle through the user menu by pressing the command key until you reach the Z-Wave setup option and press a top row key. Select Add, and the keypad will then prompt you to press the button on your Z-Wave device to enroll in your system. Once the device is connected, Device Found will display on the keypad. Your Z-Wave device is now successfully connected and can be easily controlled from the touchscreen or your mobile device. The graphic touchscreen keypad also has the convenient feature of the Favorites menu. This menu allows you to create presets to control multiple devices and device settings simultaneously. In order to add or edit an existing favorite, simply press the pencil icon, or from the keypad, use the command key to cycle through the keypad options until you reach the menu option and press Yes. Enter your passcode when prompted and cycle through the user menu by pressing the command key until you reach the Z-Wave setup option and press a top row key. Press the command key until you reach the favorites option. Once you enter favorites, enter a number 1 to 20 to designate which favorite you're setting up. The keypad will then prompt you to name this favorite. You now have the option to add, edit, or remove this favorite setup, now or in the future. Select Add to continue setting up your favorite. The keypad will now give you a list of devices that can be controlled by your favorites setting. Once you have customized all of your device settings for that favorite, press the command key and then back out to the home screen. The graphic touchscreen keypad also allows you to quickly and easily add, edit, and remove users. This gives you the ability to assign passcodes to individual users, ensuring that you are always in control of who is arming and disarming your system. From the keypad, use the command key to cycle through the keypad options until you reach the menu option and press Yes. Enter your passcode when prompted. Cycle through the user menu by pressing the command key. Select User Codes. Select Add to begin adding a new user. The keypad will now prompt you to enter a number to designate which user code this is. You will now be asked to enter a unique user code number. At this point, you will have the option to create a unique user name. The keypad also gives you the option to designate an authority level for that user, giving you the ability to tailor the system to perfectly meet your needs. The keypad will ask if this is a temporary user code, and you can set up a date range for extra security. Finally, you can give this user arm-only privileges, enabling them to set the alarm only, without the ability to disarm it. The graphic touchscreen keypad gives you control while ensuring peace of mind. Security and simplicity make the graphic touchscreen keypad the best choice for modern security solutions.